Zelda, welcome back. For today's video, I'm doing another Shopee haul. I know, Christmas is coming up and we gotta do our last minute Christmas splurging. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel. You can check out my Instagram at ime.lda. I post a lot of outfit photos in there, so if you want to see behind the scenes of how I would style these pieces in real life, then go check them out. All of the links are provided in the description box, including my body references. By the way, this is a two-part haul, so I split it into two parts because I can fit everything in just one video. Part 1 would be all the loungewear pieces, the best of the best, and part 2 would be all the neutral pieces that you need into your wardrobes. The part 2 will be uploaded a day after this, so I'm gonna link it down below, or I'm just gonna put it in the I button right here. Also, all of these pieces are from this shop, so go check them out. Okay, let's begin. First is this mauve colored top, and I recently posted an Instagram photo wearing this one, and a lot of you were asking where I got it. Actually, not a lot, like 2 to 3 people messaged me or DM'd me where I got this, and it is from Shopee. First of all, this top has the nicest quality ever. I'm not talking Zara quality or H&M quality. This gives me a luxurious feel, kind of like a designer top. The fabric is made out of a thick cotton fabric and it stretches. It's a crop top, so I would normally wear this with a low-waisted bottom. Saw this actually on Ate Tony Sia's Lazada haul way back, and many months later, I got it. To summarize everything I said, this top is just worth every penny. Next is this mocha color top, and I kid you not, this is the best basic crop shirt that I've ever purchased in my entire life. I just love how this feels on me. This is so light and flowy, as you can see, and the fabric is made out of a ribbed material, which is perfect. And this has so many different colorways. You can get it in white, black, or mocha oatmeal color. This is something that I would ideally wear in school. Clearly, I'm just building my wardrobe for school 2021, kaya ako bumibili ng mga ganito. And obviously, I'm gonna get this in all colors now that I know how freaking neat this looks on me. I have here the best white tank top ever, and I'm not kidding when I said on the title that this is just the best of the best loungewear pieces and basic pieces. So I have here a waffle knit white crop top. So if you're not familiar with waffle knit fabric, so meron siyang parang maliliit na squares, as you can see. What I just really love about this top is how it's just strategically cut on different flattering parts of my body. As you can see on this area, pa-concave yung cut niya, and it's longer in front, and at the back it's just an inch shorter. And I just love it. I haven't seen anything like this in all the tank tops that I have in my wardrobe. Wala pa akong gantong style ng tank top. If you're familiar with the RUMI basics, kaka-release lang nun, I think 2 months ago or a month ago. It kind of has the same cut and same vibe. Basta for some reason, the combination of everything complements my body. Plus size ladies would love this as well kasi alam ko meron silang size small to large. So I honestly think that this would really look good on all body types. Next pieces that I'm gonna be showing you are from nellyclothier.ph. They're an Instagram shop, pero they have a Shopee listing as well. I'm not exaggerating when I say na parati ko tong suot. 4 na beses ko na siyang nasuot simula nung pinadala to sa akin. So I just really love the square neckline, and again, gustong-gusto ko kasi sa mga tank tops kapag mahaba yung straps niya because I want my collarbones highlighted as always. They gave this cream colored top, and they sent me this super nice gray color. Sinuot ko to dun sa Zaful video ko. Just look at these color combinations. They're perfect. Wait, they sent me 4 pieces. Yung isang style niya is ganito. Ayun o, ang ganda. Ito naman, pinadala din nila. It's a nude rib top. Actually, ako yung namili ng mga kulay. So, it's not a real ribbed. It's stretchy. Just like this. I wear these kinds of tops if I want to look, you know, sexy and cute at the same time. I got 2 long sleeve tops, and I know we're on a tropical country. Why the hell would I buy these kinds of tops? First of all, I won't wear it on a hot sunny day, and I just have to make an exception with these tops. So it's an ash gray long sleeve top, and this is actually too tight for me. So if we have the same body type, I definitely think you should size up. Naalala ko nag-film ako last week ng outfits video, and this is one of those outfits na kailangan ko isuot. Ni-divide ko kasi into 3 groups yung kapag nag-outfit videos ako. Number 1 is kapag nakalugay ako. Pangalawa is kapag naka-hair clamp lang ako. And pangatlo is kapag naka-slick bun yung hair ko. So, last kong ginagawa is yung naka-slick bun kasi yun yung pinakamahirap gawin. And then, I'm down to my last 3 outfits. Ito na yung susuot ko. Nakakainis kasi nagulo yung buhok ko, and it took me another 30 minutes to redo everything. Next thing I know, wala na akong natural light. Wala nang araw. So, I just put off filming it, and nag-film na lang ako kinabukasan. So, ladies, if you don't want to learn your lesson the hard way, then size up. I also got a black one but with cinching, and you know a stylish girl if they at least have a single piece on their wardrobe na may cinching. A girl who likes tie tops knows how to dress up. So this is just a black version of it. Super cool. I definitely recommend this. They have this in white for sure, but I opted for black because I don't have a black long sleeves yet. So there. This is the first time that I did a haul na wala akong backless tops. And for some reason, I think I'm over that trend. If you still want to see some of the finest backless tops from Shopee, then I'm gonna link my previous Shopee hauls down below so you can check them out. But this part of this haul is for all my ladies who've been looking for the perfect cotton rib boxers. If you don't know what I'm talking about, basically cotton rib boxers are the ones that you've seen a lot on Instagram or Pinterest. It may look like this or this. This is not from Skims or Hyrax Studios. This is all from Shopee. I'm gonna help you decide which is the best and which fits your interests or your aesthetics. So I have 4 different types of cotton ribbed boxers. I'm gonna start first with Exhibit A. This is just a plain wool shorts. I love this because out of all these shorts, this in particular is the comfiest of them all. It's made out of a thick wool fabric, but the downside with wool fabrics is that it creates this parang mga himulmul. You can always run this down with some lint roller. If you're looking for cotton rib boxers to lounge in, then this is the right choice. But if you want to look stylish as hell, then you can get this one. So this has all this stitching right here. I wore this on an Instagram story and sobrang dami nag-reply, "Ate, saan mo nabili yung shorts mo?" Obviously, it's from Shopee lang. Ito yung rib shorts na masusuot mo on your Instagram photos. But not really ideal if you're thinking about going out with these shorts. Kasi para sa akin, para pa rin siyang underwear. So, if you want to get some snatch Instagram photos, then go get this white with this stitching. By the way, meron pala siyang ka-partner na top. I surprisingly loved the top. Meron siyang boob line underlining here, and that is so flattering. You can wear them separately or you can wear it together, but I'd just rather wear this alone. Ito yung black version niya. And this is something that I would suggest if you're looking for shorts that you can wear outside. Ito kasi para siyang biker shorts eh. You can wear this underneath an oversized hoodie or oversized sweatshirt kasi nga para nga siyang biker shorts. So if you're looking for a cotton rib shorts na masusuot mo sa labas, then this is your choice. But if you want to have that fashion moment, then you should get this one. So it has this angel patchwork right here. Out of all of them, ito yung pinaka magsa-stand out. You're not ready for this. May katerno siyang bralette. It's a super cute ribbed bralette. It says Angel. I love it. How cute. So to summarize all of that, if you're looking to be stylish, fashion, then this is the one that you're looking for. If you're looking for something that you can wear every day, then this is it. The cotton ribbed one, yung walang stitching. If you're looking for shorts that people would kill to have, then ito yun, yung may stitching. And if you're looking for just a plain biker shorts you can wear outside, this is it. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did buy anything from my video, then please do tag me on my Instagram at imet.lda so I can repost them to my stories. And also tune in for the part 2 of this video. I still have so many great finds to show you. So that's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.